my God, look at all these cases. $50 freaking dollars. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
So what you did?
Oh
Shelby, what's...
socks on my stocking. Oh my God. $50. Oh my God. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my gosh.
What is it, Shell?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Is it Justin Bieber tickets? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here. Oh, Shelby, look. Oh my God.
You want baby?
What is it, Shell?
Justin Bieber tickets.
Justin Bieber tickets.
What'd you get, Lan?
Oh my God.
Are you excited, honey? What'd you get, Lan? You don't have to cut that, baby. What are you trying to cut? What? What'd you try to cut?
Holy cow.
The game's I think the game's already ended, it said on the bottom.
What'd you get, Mace?
A phone.
What kind of phone is it?
I think it's an iPhone 4.
You and Mama going?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, you suck. You're not taking me. It's okay. It's okay.
Landon,
Oh my
what did you get, bud?
gosh.
Battery's trying.
What is it? Here, don't do that. We can open that.
What'd you get, Landon? Don't, baby. Quit ripping the box. There's nothing in there. Listen to Mama. It's on your.
Yes, I
on your.
needed these. You got it. No game.
Yes, it's in there.
Oh yes, another tank top.
Bring it to Mommy. Let me show you.
Bubble gum. Holy crap. Shelby, that's your life right there. Oh no. Thank you, Anna.
Okay.
Pencils.
Be careful. That's the poster for. Okay, let's see those.
Tell me you Starburst. Yes, I need another one of these.
Oh, we need to have
More socks. Yes.
Let's see.
Oh my God.
There's Mia. Look at that. They even got something for Mia.
Aww.
We need to let poor Mia go potty. Let's see, Landon. Check that 3D depth.
Landon, did you check your... Landon, did you check your stocking? Shelby, did you check your stocking?
I checked my candy.
I know.
Yay.
Landon, is that Beyblade?
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't know what a Beyblade is. Is that
That's what
shiny
you've been
light?
asking for forever. Beyblades.
Yay. Yay. Panties.
You got more stuff in there, Landon, I think.